Hi, this is Ross. Just arrived at the customer's house. Fortunately, the passenger of this vehicle was taken ill whilst it was driving, and unfortunately we have vomit contamination, which has unfortunately spread onto things like the seat belt, the seat, down the side there, the trim, the carpet area, and the center console. Okay, so also as a precaution, we're going to clean this side of the dashboard and also this door panel. Okay, so basically anywhere where that vomit may have come into contact with, we're going to tend to, and I can say now that there is a smell of kind of Dettol meets vomit. The customer has used Dettol, and so we're going to completely flush and treat this area here, and hopefully very soon the smell would have gone, because we are tackling the bacteria, which is the source of the odour, and we'll return back to this in a short while, and we'll see how we're getting on. Okay, so 2 hours, and we have now completely cleansed this seat belt. Remember how that looked earlier? So the seat belt was completely dipped in a solution which we use. This is what we removed from just that one seat belt. Okay, so that's been cleansed, disinfected. This seat has been fully cleaned, disinfected, back and front, and that footwell was looking pretty sorry for itself earlier. Okay, now it may appear to look clean, but I can tell you now that by putting my nose right up against that carpet, the smell of vomit has disappeared. The only thing I can smell is Dettol, which is what the client used firsthand. So all that area there on the dashboard has been cleansed, and also it's just started to rain, but we have also cleansed the door panel as well. Okay, and again, checking for any signs of odour, and I can tell you now that there is no odour at all. The product we use is bio-friendly, bio-safe. It doesn't contain any enzymes or any bleaches, anything like that at all. It uses a completely different type of technology. So that's what sets us apart from our competitors. If you can call valeting and car washes our competitors, but there you have it. So if you do have a similar problem, then please don't hesitate to get in contact with us using the link provided.